So this flexible automation will enhance the flexibility of the production. Because previously everything is fixed using a conveyor system. Now you can use a robot. If you have any change of production, the robot can be easily changed and modified according to the factory needs. This robotics is used for material handling and autonomous robots. That means they are intelligent to process the data and it can move freely to the factory. It also can enhance the productivity efficiency by using the robotics to do part of the process of the factory automation production.